Adrian's being a real stinker. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, you think funny face is gonna get you out of this, Adrian? Oh my goodness. And you're so bad. We're gonna lower that crib mattress right now. Hey, stinker. Adrian Marie. Adrian Marie. Adrian Marie. You are so bad. Uh-huh. All right, time for night-night. Bye. Bye. You are so stinker.